Hello everyone, back with another installment of the Moose Chronicles and the Pupdate. Jumping in here a little bit to just give a little background on today's video. We don't have a ton of content to share this week, so it'll be a little bit of a shorter video, which is probably a good thing. Really what's happened is a couple different things. This week we're really going to showcase a big step for Moose. Was able to jump into the pool and go for a couple swims. And we were able to capture the first swim that he did with us. And so that's really fun. And you don't really know if he likes it or not yet, but he is a really good swimmer. So that's been really awesome. I think what's typical for burners, at least what we hear from other folks and folks online, is that they don't really prefer to swim, but they can be convinced to like it. And that's really what we're hoping for Moose, because we do have a small above ground pool in our backyard and our boys love to swim. We love to get in there. So hopefully he'll latch on and do the same. Another thing is really the observation now is things are starting to get normal again. We're all into a routine, including Moose, as far as when it's time to go out. He's sleeping through the night for a fair amount. So that's been really, really good and really fitting into the family. You'll see in a couple clips here where he's starting to get a little bit more brave with our cat, Sophie. And so they're starting to interact a little bit more. She's not quite sure if she likes him yet, but we're getting there. And then the last piece, we really haven't captured much video here, but I think it's really funny. His nickname in the house now is Demon Dog. And that really comes from really at nighttime, really between like 10 o'clock and midnight. It's kind of the witching hour here where he really gets hyper and just wants to bite and go after everybody and wants to interact. But usually that's when the household is really starting to wind down. So new nickname for him this week is Demon Dog because he really turns into that little devil there at nighttime. But other than that, we'll make it a quick one, like I mentioned. As always, subscribe, hit that bell down below, leave comments. We really appreciate your feedback here on what these videos are doing for folks and if you really enjoy them. So with no further ado, let's jump into some of the video and pictures from this week. As always, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, we're trying the pool for the first time. Nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
Turn towards us when you get a chance.
No, right there. That's good.
All right, let's see what he does.
Don't let him fall the
Okay, so it looks like he knows how to swim.
Don't let go of him.
Good boy!
Good boy! And there's a shake.
A little shake.
Looks like a drowned rat.
Oh boy.
What's up, buddy? Look at his legs. He's like, what the woot the hat?
What's happening? Why is that?
Before you let go. All right, let go. See what happens.
Other direction, towards the middle. Oh, don't let him drink the water. Oh, he's sinking. He's not very good at this.
All right, let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
Baby.
Good boy.
Hi, go swimming.
He's a good boy.
This is so baby.
Yeah, buddy. Give it a big shake.
Yeah.
Not so fluffy anymore, huh?
I get the
What do you like?
best, but it's probably way too big for him.
Yeah, it's way too big for him.
You're not big enough for it yet.
Look at him. He's like, I don't know what to do about this water.
What's happening?
Shake, 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 buddy.
Come here, Moose.
That was exciting.
Come here, baby.
That was exciting.
Come here, come sit with me.
He looks so funny.
What's your head? He's like, I like the towel.
Oh, he always loves towels.
I like the towel stuff. Oh, look at the baby. Look at you. Oh, you're so good.
What do you think? Huh?
No.
Was that fun? That was fun, right?
Oh, no, sorry.
Low stress?
No stress. I don't know. He looks a little
He
stressed.
was whining a little bit, but not too bad. Not too bad. He's still wagging. He's still happy. Yeah, give it a good shake, bud. Give it a good shake.
Yes.
That was good. That's a good first try. What do you think, huh? What do you think, kitty? she just outsmarted him. Where'd the kitty go? Where'd that kitty go? Okay, so you can see a tail. There she is. Oh, she doesn't like that, huh, buddy? What do you think? You think you can snuggle with the kitty? You think you can snuggle with the kitty? She's not happy, huh? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Who's that? Who's that?